LogiTRACE is the sheet metal unfolding software built for real-world workshop needs. Designed with production efficiency in mind, it delivers powerful functionality without the complexity of traditional 3D CAD systems. Its intuitive workflow means most users get started immediately, often without any training at all. The software is organized into specialized kits, each packed with modules tailored to common workshop tasks. Whether you're working with standard components or unique geometries, you'll find the right tool for the job. Simply enter your dimensions and material thickness. No complicated design work required. LogiTrace can even adapt your parts on large silos, etc., to match specific sheet sizes, helping you reduce waste and streamline production. Advanced input options give you full flexibility when defining your parts. Among the many models available, you can choose exactly how your unfolded patterns are generated, including the number and placement of cut lines. Use pre-installed templates or create your own DXFS with marking on the bin lines. Prefer notching instead of marking? Just enter the notch type, length, and width, save it as a template, and reuse it anytime. Creating layouts with overlaps is just as easy. Select one of the ready-made options and instantly preview the result in the cutout view, or configure your own to match your production needs. All your settings can be saved and reused, ensuring consistent results and faster workflows every time you use LogiTrace. Making tees or vessels with multiple pipes has never been this fast. Simply enter the dimensions, define the contact points, and select the type of penetration as well as the pipe or vessel type. In the additional input fields, you can add as many pipes as you like with their exact positions. After the calculation, you'll see the 3D view directly in the preview window. If needed, you can also position your weld seam to avoid intersecting weld seams. You also have the option to account for an extra welding gap, which makes it easier to insert the pipes during assembly. Segments bins are easy to make and have all technical options to make the production as quick as possible. You can adjust the position of the weld so that each segment has the weld seam in a different location. The flat patterns can be generated as a single rectangular part with tabs. The single part can then be transported, rolled, and welded all in one. This optimizes handling and saves time and material. This simplifies the work in the workshop considerably. Finally, you can design more complex assemblies using our optional expert kits. Almost anything is possible. LogiTRACE is fast and fun to use. Just give us a call and let our team of experts help you pick out the correct combination of modules.